First of all, I'm going to adding a new layer and selecting the text tool, and now font size I'm selecting, and now I'm just typing my text here. And now select your whole text and click on this color box, and you can change your text color from here, and click on this font drop down, and from here you can select a different font for your text. And now select the selection tool and press Ctrl T, and now you can resize your font just like so. Change your text location. Okay, now just hide the text layer and select your photo layer, and now we have to select our photo object. So right now I will use this quick selection tool, and here select the plus option and you can change your size. And now go ahead and select your object just like so. And now I want to deselect this part, so I'm going to selecting here deselect button and changing the size and just clicking on this part to deselect. Once you successfully selected, now click on select and mask, and here it's time to mask our selection. So here I'm selecting this minus and selecting brush size, and I'm going to deselect this color from here. Okay, now I'm clicking on OK. Now unhide text layer. Now select your text layer and just press Alt key and click on this mask icon, and you'll see your text is now behind the object. Now select the quick selection tool, and now make sure to unlink this option. Select the text option and you can change your text position just like so.